देख रहे हैं एकदम अच्छा वाला दिया. नाउ वी हैव दिस. अब नाउ दे आर आस्क, पहले हिंदी है फिर इंग्लिश है. अब देखिए, लेट्स सी फ्यू क्वेश्चन. जैसे कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट एक्ट की अभी क्वेश्चन याद आया है तो उठा लिए. द कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट एक्ट, इट इज विजिबल टू एवरीवन. परसुएंट टू, ये 2022 का पेपर है, 22. Pursuant to the report of H.N. Sanyal Committee, the Contempt of Court Act 1971 was passed. UPSC also knows that this is a fact which is not given in books, so this nobody knows. कोई problem नहीं है, chill out करना है. The Constitution of India defines civil and criminal contempt. Every single child on earth is told the first statement that contempt is not defined in the Constitution. Contempt is not defined, it is provided in Contempt of Court Act. So 2, 3 is a wrong statement. 3 को उड़ाए, अब क्या बचा? 1, 2 and 4. अब in India, Parliament is vested with the power to make laws on contempt. अब 3 को हमने eliminate कर दिया. 3, everybody knows that contempt is not defined in the Constitution. I made you see also that contempt is defined in Contempt of Court Act. So you will eliminate the third statement. What 2 options are left? A and B. UPSC also knows that you don't know H.L. Salyal. So 1 and 2 are common. So only we need to check whether 4 is a. In India, Parliament is vested with the powers to make laws on contempt of court. True or false? Contempt of Court Act 1971 was enacted by Parliament. जो दिखा दिए तो अब who is vested? Parliament. So 4 is a correct statement. B is the. Getting my point ना? ऐसे ही कोई और भी दे. For example, this is government law officers and legal firms are recognized as ये common sense का question था. But corporate lawyers and patent attorneys are excluded from recognition as advocate. अच्छा, जो अच्छा. So the corporate lawyers are not lawyers. Only government law officers are lawyers. So this statement by common sense is a wrong statement. जैसे you have Indian Chartered Accountant Institutes, ICAI, which gives recognition to CA, जैसे Dental Council of India for dental, National Medical Commission for medical, MCI used to be there, it has been done. All India Council for Technical Education for engineering colleges, it used to be. Then you have University Grant Commission for UGC. Similarly, you have Bar Council of India for law colleges. Every law college has to get recognized by Bar Council. Bar Council have the power to lay down the rules relating to legal education and recognition of law colleges. B is the answer. थोड़ा common से अब ये पूछ रहे हैं. Let's see. Which of the following are exclusive powers of Lok Sabha? बोलिए. सबको एक क्वेश्चन. Exclusive powers of Lok Sabha to ratify the declaration of emergency. Emergency has to be ratified by both the houses of parliament. One उड़ गया, one उड़ा. अब क्या बचा? 2 और 3. To impeach the president of India. Only Lok Sabha will impeach. So 3 eliminate, क्या आंसर बना? 2 is the correct answer. So by elimination also, वो I've been telling you, any topper video if you see, you will see कि कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा कि first round में I knew more than 30 questions. 30 is a larger. Generally you know 25 questions, then you will do that by elimination. अब जैसे a bill amending the constitution requires a prior recommendation of president. क्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट बिल को, किस बिल को चाहिए प्रायर रिकमेंडेशन? मनी बिल रिक्वायर्स. सो 1 को उड़ा दिए, क्या आंसर आया? 1 को एलिमिनेट. सो यू हैव टू डू थोड़ा सा, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट ना, थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस. ओके. सो द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया क्लासिफाइज मिनिस्टर्स इनटू 4 रैंक्स. अच्छा, हाँ. Does the constitution classify? No, I have said chilla to the पता नहीं कितनी बार बोला कि only term cabinet. So 1 is total number of ministers including prime minister shall not exceed 15% of the strength of Lok Sabha. True or false? True. 2 आंसर आ गया. Okay. Now अब ये तो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, क्या हम क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं और ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं? The law, मतलब we are discussing something and they are asking. जो क्लास शुरू होती है, जो पहली लाइन बोलते हैं वो, a law specified, we are discussing something very very high and they are asking very basic questions. This is right before you, they are asking these questions. तो ये तो मैं 100 बार बोलता हूँ, these points I repeat 100 points and they are asking. They don't go into that much intricate कि थोड़ा 5th schedule के पौधों का नाम बताना. Okay. हाँ. So The law specifies that a nominated legislator cannot join any political party within 6 months. Acha, he can join within 6 months. Eliminated. The law does not provide any time frame. बिल्कुल सही, ये रोज बोल रहा हूं कि time frame mentioned. That is why so getting my point. So most of the questions, एक और बहुत ही easy question पूछा. अब ये पूछ रहा है, अटॉर्नी जनरल एंड सॉलिसिटर जनरल आर द ऑफिसर्स पार्टिसिपेट इन द मीटिंग ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. नॉट सॉलिसिटर जनरल ओनली, अटॉर्नी जनरल उड़ गया. अटॉर्नी जनरल सबमिट्स रेजिग्नेशन व्हेन द गवर्नमेंट, ऐसा लिखा होगा कहीं, बाय यू हैव सीन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 100 टाइम्स, ऐसा कहीं लिखा हुआ है गवर्नमेंट चेंज और ही विल रिजाइन नॉट रिजाइन. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट मेंशन्ड इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अब कह रहा है विथ रेफरेंस टू आयुष्मान भारत डिजिटल मिशन, ये एक क्वेश्चन था विच वाज बेस्ड ऑन कॉमन सेंस. कुछ किताब पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. आयुष्मान भारत डिजिटल मिशन, प्राइवेट एंड पब्लिक हॉस्पिटल्स मस्ट अडॉप्ट इट. Just close your eyes and think there are 100 hospitals in ORN. All of them have adopted. So no, so this is a wrong. Thousands of hospitals are in India. As it aims to achieve universal health coverage, one eliminate हो गया. कुछ करना ही नहीं है. उससे भी अच्छा है. As it aims to achieve universal health coverage, every citizen should be part of it. You will think I am a citizen, but I am not a member of Ayushman Bharat. So you will eliminate two. Getting my point? So you will get by what you call this. अब ये आर्टिकल 12 में आई कीप रिपीटिंग कि मैंने क्या कहा था आर्टिकल 12, व्हेन अ बॉडी इज कंडक्टिंग अ, जब भी कोई पब्लिक रोल, हर पिछले साल भी कहा था, व्हेन इट देयर आर सर्टेन प्रिंसिपल्स, व्हेन अ प्राइवेट बॉडी इज परफॉर्मिंग अ public function, PSUs do qualify as state LIC, ONGC, SAIL. Mandamus will not lie against a private organization unless it is entrusted with a public duty. बिल्कुल सही. Mandamus will not lie against a company even though it may be a government company. False. ये तो साफ बोल रहे हैं. तो 2 को एलिमिनेट कीजिए. यहां एलिमिनेट हो गया, यहां एलिमिनेट हो गया, यहां getting, so अब यहां getting my point ना. So अब ये with reference to deputy speaker of Lok Sabha, as per the rules of procedure and conduct of business in Lok Sabha, the election of deputy speaker shall be held on such date as the speaker may fix. पता है? So 1 है. अब जिसपे 1 नहीं है पहले तो वो, ये दोनों उड़ गया. अब बस हमें देखना है कि 2 सही है या नहीं है. ओके, देखे. There is a mandatory provision that election of candidate as deputy speaker shall be either from principal opposition party or ruling party. Do you think ऐसा कोई provision? So नहीं, 2 eliminate करेंगे तो 1 and 3. Getting, समझ रहे ना ऐसा. So most of the answer exam में बस they are testing की 5 से 6 क्वेश्चन बस ये टेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि बहुत सा मैंने ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स देखे हैं that they have qualified just because of their patience. There are many students, they work less but they are very very, वो ये चाह, उसका तो मकसद ही यही है कि आपको विचलित कर दें, to make you what you call in anxiety in the head. So you just chill out, एकदम आराम से रहना है. अच्छा हमसे, and then you will getting my point ना. So you कुछ भी हो जाए, you will not trek. Why? Because 2 things. 1, the purpose of mains is something different. Purpose of mains is to take candidates. Purpose of prelims is eliminate. Imagine if they will ask easy question. Okay, then what will happen? Out of 5 lakh student, 40,000 will score 100 upon 100. So whom will they take? पूरे 40,000 को मेंस लिखवाना पड़ेगा. So they will. So what they have to do? So purpose of prelims क्या है? What is the purpose of prelims? To devise a question paper where maximum are eliminated. वहां पर्पस ही कुछ और है. वहां अगर वो इजी क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे 97 would be cut off. It will be detrimental to many good students who somehow made some basic mistake. वहां the purpose is to eliminate. And second, when you will be given power, इतना power दिया जाएगा, somebody will come and say कि आग लग गई, अब थोड़ी उसके पीछे जाइएगा. You will sit and think कि how many firefighters are there in my district. Immediately you will ask assistance from nearby district. So they are testing whether you are patient. Literally after such 12-13 months of rigorous training, nobody can be is in that position that he will not get 48 questions correct. हो ही नहीं सकता है. पर in the examination hall पूरा game आप प्रीलिम्स जो भी, कई लोग ऐसे हैं आप मिलिएगा जो ऐसे ही बैठता है प्रीलिम्स निकाल लेता है. Two things: one, their basics are strong; second, they are very very patient. One common thing which I feel those students are not qualifying, क्योंकि वो अपने पिछले प्रीलिम्स बैगेज को क्या करते हैं, वो अगले प्रीलिम्स में लेके, कि उस पे धब्बा लग गया है. वो सोल्जर फिल्म में नहीं बोलता है, हाँ कि ये प्रीलिम्स नहीं निकाला है, तो अब उसको लगता है कि नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल है, नहीं निकला, नहीं निकला. नाउ यू विल स्टार्ट विथ new and don't take stress. 5 to 7 questions if you are very happy in the examination hall. Honestly, I am saying many students I know with minimum, some of my friends also with minimum hard work chill करके जाते थे बैडमिंटन खेल के प्रीलिम्स. क्यों? Because they don't take stay. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन ऐसा डिजाइन होगा टू टेस्ट योर, एंड ऑलवेज नो दैट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू आंसर, you don't know all the 100 questions, you just need 45, 48, 52 questions correct the kind of cutoff that is going. And I can literally say that nobody can score, matlab after such rigorous training, less than 50, 52. So examination में एक चीज याद रखिएगा, past result. If you are attempting for exam, any inhibiting factor should not be there. You should be very happy and very confident on that day. ये 5 क्वेश्चन का अंतर करेगा. Now we come to few things